In this video, Bitcoin is right now breaking out from this falling wedge, and the question is, are we going to see a continuous movement to the upside, or are we going to see a fake out? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin was the daily time frame kasi you can see in the daily time frame, it's clearly forming this massive falling wedge. And on top of that, we are also forming that RSI, as RSI symmetric triangle. And usually, yung mga ganitong movement can lead into breakout if nagkaroon ng breakout din sa mga certain resistance areas or support areas. So as you can see right now, we are starting to see that breakout happening na nga dito kay Bitcoin. But the question is this going to continue to the upside? Well, the main thing na magandang tingnan dyan is actually the volume indicator. Because if you're going to look at the volume indicator, we are seeing that breakout. But as you can see, we are not seeing that quite amount of volume. So in this case, this can still lead into a fake out dito kay Bitcoin. Pwede pa siyang bumaba. So, ano na ba yung gagawin natin dito ngayon sa trade na to? So as much as possible, you have to put a stop loss around the 61,400, roughly around that area. Kasi if, let's say, this leads into a fake out, then kahit paano masecure natin yung ating capital. Siguro kahit di 61,000, maybe around the 60,000 US dollars, just below this resistance. This resistance is right na going to act as a support kasi pwede din mangyari dyan, pwede siyang mag one last push to the downside tapos saka siya akyat. If let's say naglagay ka na ngayon dyan ng stop loss at na-hit siya, edi na-miss out yung opportunity na yan, diba? So as much as possible, you have to put the stop loss much lower than the support area para if ever let's say this goes lower, edi na kuha natin yung na secure pa rin natin yung capital natin. But if let's say this sees a bounce, then at least continuous yung movement natin dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, yun yung magiging trading strategy natin dito kay Bitcoin with this current movement. And take note, ano ba yung targets natin dito? Just like what we discussed sa previous video, our target is going to be more likely around the 75,000 US dollars the moment na we are going to see that bounce dito kay Bitcoin. So 75k is the target dito kay Bitcoin. And siguro pwede ka rin mag-place ng take profit area around the 68,000 kasi that looks like a resistance area na pwede nating i-monitor. So right now, you can actually put a take profit area number 1 in the 68, the number 2 in the 75,000 US dollars. So that is how we are going to trade this Bitcoin movement. And take note, if gusto niyo take advantage to movement, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit, mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kay account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find the description down below so you can get potential bonus of up to 5,000 US dollars. And if gusto niyo mag-start paano mag-trade at di pa kayo marunong mag-aral ng iba't ibang indicators such as yung ginagamit natin dito, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. All of our tutorial videos on how to open a trade, how to cash in, how to use different indicators. All of them are available guys for free. So you don't have to buy any more courses. Pwede nyong panoorin na lang and then you can actually leverage that to your own personal strategy. So, I guess yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.